This is Morten from Inkis TV. One of the, I would say, a little bit of surprise to me attending the PreDrupa show here in Indianapolis by HP was the introduction of a new Indigo 120K, bigger brother or sister to the very popular 100K. Anat?
Hello, nice to meet you.
Is this your baby?
Yeah, it's actually my baby. Yeah. So this is the 120K. Mm-hmm. This is a new NPI that we are launching this year. Mm-hmm. It is based on the 100K. Mm-hmm. The press that we launched 4 years ago.
Is it already 4 years ago?
Yes, it's 4 years ago.
Time fly by, right? Yeah.
And with the 100K, we first boost the press with speed that was higher by 50%. And what we did in the last couple of years is we took the 100K and decided to push for more productivity, okay, and to boost this speed with robustness, with automation, with more economics, and in order to make this press the speed you trust. So the 120K will actually enable our customers to move more and more pages from analog to digital. And
that is, of course, also, it's interesting because there's a higher and higher demand for digital in general, but also because, I mean, it's also good for in that digital transformation where people go from analog to digital to have something that, I think it was like 6,000 B2 sheets an hour, right?
Yes. Yeah. So it's 6,000 B2 per hour with the EPM mode. And what we did also is we increased the productivity by make this press much more reliable press.
Because you lowered the maintenance with 20%, right? I mean, that is significant for a customer buying a press where they know that, okay, now they don't have to spend as much time on maintenance and at the same time, a more productive machine, right?
Yes. So the impact of these design changes that we did is actually that we are able to reduce the service cost dramatically by around 20%. And in addition, we work on new print mode for the customers that will enable the customers to reduce the TCO. This print mode we'll call Eco mode. That is also eco in terms of the economic benefit, but also for the sustainability benefit that they are going to gain from it. And what we are going to do is to have a print mode that will have a thinner layer of ink on the press, on the print, and that will enable us to give our customer also an additional discount for this.
In general, let's take a little bit of a walk around here. So when in general you have a couple of new machines that you're presenting in Drupa, what should customers expect?
So we're going to announce 2 new presses for the B2 commercial presses. The first one is the 120K, and this is our baby that is
quite similar to the 100K, doesn't it?
Yes, it is based on the 100K, but much more productive. What we also did is we understand that our customers are looking for much more easier press to use.
Of course, because it's more difficult to get staff, I guess, right?
Yes, yes. Due to the labor shortages that our customers are encountered, so we wanted to make these presses much more easier to use. How we did it? We added a lot of new AI-based tools, okay, that will enable our customers to use it much more in a simple way and also to reduce the labor cost for the operator.
So when you say AI, I mean, everybody talks about ChatGPT and all these kind of things. I guess that's not that kind of thing you're putting into it, right? So you're not telling the press what to do, but it helps you. But I mean, when you make a new press like this and it's as the successor to a huge success like the 100K, I was just wondering, what is a gain for customers? Because I mean, there's a reason why you have done it, right? So what has the market told you and why are you doing this?
So when we're talking with PSPs and also when we're looking on the recent researches that was done, so productivity is one of the main features for the customers when they're coming to buy a new press. So what we did in the last 4 years, we invested huge amount of R&D effort in order
I mean, good things doesn't come cheap, right?
Yeah, unfortunately not. So we are really sure that we're going to gain around 30% more productivity for this speed. We understood that speed is not enough. And in order to have much more sellable sheets on the floor, we should gain more productivity, more reliability, and the press should be much more predictable. as the offset presses.
Yeah, precisely. Yeah. Do you already have it as beta in the market, or the 120? Do you already have it out in the market for beta customers? Or?
So no, so the beta is actually starting right after this scoop.
Okay, so they bring that machine to. I was just asking because I was so curious whether there were already like the first feedback from market, but that still has to come, right?
No, so after this scoop, so we first installed the new beta press around 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
But after this scoop, we are going to sell this press exactly to a new beta site, and we start the beta. And the press will be available, commercial available by the end of the year, by October.
Okay. We have, while we walked from the 120K, we came to another new
baby.
But I don't know, they have a little different footprint,
yes,
right?
Of course.
So this is the 18K. What is the biggest difference between 18K and 120K?
Okay, so we want to differentiate the presses. So the 120K will mostly focus on the productivity. Okay, and the 18K, as the 15K before, the main focus for it will be versatility. So what we did is actually even expand the versatility more with more application, with a duplex stick media that will be up to 600 microns. We will have GCP clear application.
And just to understand that was the one that you showed yesterday at the press conference, where you can basically do transparent material, forth and back printing on the same substrate, right? That is super cool. And you were so right when you identified, because I mean, either you have to, as a glue, two pieces together, or you basically have to just hope that you can print on both sides, basically, right? And you just make it in one go.
Yes, exactly. And you know, we did an analysis recently for our customers on their print volume, and we found out that the customers that are using our versatility features are growing 8 times more than the others that are using YMCK only. So customers that manage to use this versatility keep growing all the time and keep actually having new application and new ideas that are coming to us, and this is the result of it. Okay, we build this press and this new application together with our customers according to their preference, and you can see here the results.
And I saw some of the samples. We're not talking too much about samples today, but I mean, what it does is simply stunning, right? I mean, so a typical customer for this could actually be one that buys both the 120K and this one, because here you have the speed, and here you have, like, if you make special applications, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. Is that what you see in market, that people have both?
Yes. So customers who want to move pages from offset to digital, or to be much more productive, so they are using the 120K for it. Customers who want to grow, who wants to be as much as versatile as possible, and to be able to open for new features in the future, so they are buying the 18K. And the combination of both of them work perfectly.
I can see that you are smiling a lot when you talk about the machines.
I'm excited about these new presses.
So what was your role with HP and these machines in particular?
Sorry?
What was your role in work with these?
So I'm the commercial product and solution manager.
So you're the one that has kind of designed the specs and what they should do, or?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Me and of course my team.
Your team, yeah.
My team.
But it's
and
great.
also the customers, you know, are part of it.
We spoke to Markus Weiss from Germany yesterday, and he said that HP is very good listening to the customers and bring the feedback back, right? Yeah.
So we are keep listening to our customers. We are actually inventing, okay, some of the new features that we are having is a part of the discussion with our customers.
So now it's here. It's just amazing, and in a day's time, D-Scoop. And I guess that you will answering a lot of questions, right?
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Super nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Okay, great.